Do you know how to check the engine oil level in a truck? My name is Vitor and I'm gonna show you. Keeping your truck running smoothly requires regular maintenance, and one of the most important tasks is checking the engine oil. It's simple, quick, and can save you a lot of money and costly repairs down the line. Here's how you can check the engine oil in your truck in just a few easy steps. Before you begin, ensure your truck is on level ground and the engine is cool to avoid inaccurate readings or burns. Make sure the vehicle's been off for at least 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the oil to settle, providing an accurate measurement and best safety. In some trucks, you can check the oil levels using the dashboard system. This is the easiest and cleanest way to do the job, and you will get instant readings. To check the levels manually, open the hood and locate the dipstick, usually marked with an oil can symbol or simply labeled engine oil. The handle is usually yellow, orange or red and clearly visible against the engine's backdrop. Pull the dipstick out and wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel. This ensures you get an accurate reading. Reinsert the dipstick fully, then pull it out again to check the oil level. The dipstick has two marks or notches, and your oil should fall between the minimum and maximum marks. Your oil level should be between these marks. If it's below the lower mark, you'll need to add more oil. If it's right up the upper mark, you're good to go. If you need to add oil, do so carefully, a little at a time, checking the level as you go to avoid overfilling. Each truck has its own specific oil type and grade, so check your owner's manual or consult a professional if you're unsure. Also, take a moment to inspect the oil's color. It should be amber to light brown. If it's dark or gritty, it might be time for a change. After checking, wipe the dipstick one last time and replace it carefully. Ensure it's fully seated. This is crucial for maintaining an accurate reading and preventing contaminants from entering the engine. And that's it. You've successfully checked your truck's engine oil. Regular checks like these can save you from the hassle of engine damage and costly repairs. Stay tuned for more Valvoline tips on keeping your truck in top shape. Drive safe.